The Catholic Church is the dragon. Christianity is the right hand. Islam is the left hand. And both of them fight against Christ. Emperor Constantine took Jewish traditions mixed with Roman pagan rituals like worship of dead saints, worship of their holidays, Roman warriors, soldiers. They like the sight of blood. They like bloodshed. They like war. Excuse me. So now, you go to church here now. You're a Roman. You're on the one hand. If you Islamic, then you're on the other hand, under the beast. The Catholic Church is the body of the dragon. Christianity is the head, Islam is the tail, and the head is the tail. Why? Because it was all made up by the dragon who tells great lies. And I'm uncovering.